What's up guys, this is Vai and today I'm gonna show you one hidden feature of the curves adjustment layer that you probably don't know. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Okay, so this is the image I'm gonna work with. You can download this image from unsplash.com, and so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna just create a new adjustment layer, and that will be of course curves. So I'm gonna just create curves, and now, so what do you think what it could be? So the magic starts right here. I'm just gonna press and hold the Alt key or the Option key if you're on Mac and click on this auto button right there. And boom, you get a new auto correction options dialog box. So I'm gonna just click on find dark and light colors, and I'm gonna click on shadows, and I'm gonna give it a tint of blue. Looks good. In the midtones, I'm gonna keep it like a golden kind of thing. Yep. And the highlights, I'm gonna keep it yellowish gold. Something like that. Cool. I'm gonna just press OK, and I'm gonna select no, and you can see it automatically creates the curve lines for the colors we have selected. So all we need to do now is I'm gonna just select soft light, and boom, we got a decent color grade right away without even touching the curves. And we can just turn down the fill amount a bit. That looks great. And now I'm gonna create another curves adjustment layer just to show you another feature of it. I'm gonna press and hold the Alt key and click on this auto button, and I'm gonna just select this enhance monochromatic contrast, and I'm gonna go to shadows and just select something like that. I'm gonna keep the midtones somewhere around there, and the highlights I'm gonna just give it a nice golden touch. Cool. Select no, and all we need to do is I'm gonna just select soft light, and we can just turn down the fill amount and the opacity as well. So this gives it a nice color grade. Let's just see the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. This was it guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already. And if you like this tutorial or learned something new today, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you like this edit, tell me in the comment sections below, and if you have any query or feedback to give, the comment section is all yours. So thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.